Okay, so this one we have the Santa Casa de Misericórdia. This has a nice history to it. We're gonna take a look in this little alley right over here too. Before we even go in, we have Christmas. It's December right now, so it's the holidays, December holidays, December 3rd. And then we also have this little thing, these little pillars all the way down as well. And this is found all the way down to São Domingos. But we're gonna be going down there and try to give you a little bit of a view of what everything looks like as well. So stay tuned for that. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So let's walk right over there first. Yeah, you can see all the Christmas. It's December. You kind of see that over there. That changes all the time, so that's not always like that, but it is now. Let's keep on walking down this way. Trying to get out of the sun a little bit. Okay, so now we have this side. Let me come over here. So this is going to be our target street. And we have the Holy House of Mercy, established by the first bishop, 1569. And so this is basically, they provided orphans, widows of sailors who died at sea, and it was it has a long history here. So we are going to take a look at it. Just down that way, there's also the popular pharmacy as well, that yellow building. So that's on one side, and then the House of Mercy is on this side. And I think I'm just going to go right into it, and we're going to do that first, and then we're going to come back. Let me just kind of see. House of Mercy right there. And then actually this Travessa, it's named after the House of Mercy as well, so it's the same name. So I'm just kind of navigate through here a little bit. That's a little bit busy today. We got a bus way up there. We're gonna take a look at that. Let me see, this one, it's Segunda Feira is Thursday, and so it's closed. Segunda, that's Tuesday. Closed on Monday and public holidays. I wonder if I can go in here. I thought somebody was looking at me. So this is the I said that because I can see in the reflection there was somebody looking at me right there in the window. So he's in that other building. So I think we can bring the camera in. Take a look. Let's see if I can. Let's see here. Can you take a look at all of this? Excuse me, Very interesting. Looks like we can go out on this balcony as well. So now we can overlook and see. Wow, okay. So yeah, so this actually has a lot of history right here. So that was a bishop who started this. This was an orphanage. So for people who lost their parents at sea. And I think I also heard too, it was also to spread the message of the Catholic Church, Jesuits in particular. That's some nice views. And I can see all these artifacts too from that time era. The crucifixes. Very interesting. Really nice balcony. Probably the original. We have another section over here. This is empty. Nice. Wow. Wow, this is kind of cool. I wonder if that's Macau or Portugal. That one looks so cool. So I think this is the main goal, is to help orphanages, and you got nuns back there as well. I heard that this was like this, when they first went to Japan, they had Africans with them, animals, probably not a lion, but they had like domesticated farm animals. Oh, they even got the Native American Indian there. I guess that represents Brazil. Artifacts. Catholic Missions of China. I think I heard about this one. There's one that had the wound right there. Let me know which one that one is. We're gonna head back up. So there's the emblem right there. It's Amma Temple. That's this building right here. Map of Macau. I think that's this one, Matthias Ricci, I believe. So what's the name?
This is Belchior Carreiro.
Oh, okay. So this is actually the, wow.
Yep.
Wow. Amazing. And that's your father?
No, my father.
Or that was your
This is 400 years
descendant.
ago. This is open this one.
Oh, okay.
The Santa Casa.
Oh, okay. I thought you said that was like a... This is a nice template. So the skull that we saw was actually this same person, and this is actually the first bishop of Macau. And so this is one of the oldest buildings, and so yeah, I guess he was, that was when he was alive. So he was one of the founders of this particular building right here. And I guess we're going to go all the way up and we're going to see who the sculpture is up at the top. And this is basically our target street. And then this will also be our, oops, sorry. So I guess this is actually more of it as well. We're going to see who the, and there's actually lawyers' offices here too. And I think we're going to find that this bust is also the same, possibly the same person as well. Yeah, it is. So first Bishop of Macau, founder of the Holy House of Mercy. Okay. Okay, so this is this little alley with the missionary. So very, very interesting. Yeah, actually that's, I did kind of hear about that, but it was kind of nice to confirm that that was actually the first, when the first buildings in Macau. So they built it in the 1500s, which is kind of interesting because I'm reading this other book. So I'm reading this other book that has like Portuguese, how Portugal forged the first global empire, and they actually just started, like 1490s is when they first tried to start exploring, and then 1500 they first found Goa, India. So the fact that 1500s has this is pretty amazing. That they were able to get over here that quickly. After they first started exploring. So let me just give a little bit of information. So this is it in Portuguese for people who want to see it in Portuguese. This is it in Chinese and Japanese. and English. 1569. So I think 1555 is when they first kind of discovered when the Portuguese first started making a settlement here. So lots of people walking around today, and we're just going to step out a little bit, give you a little context. So there we go. That's our Target Street, and it's right here in Santa Square. So kind of a cool little space.
Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Yeah.